Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is very exciting because I am unboxing the Eyescream beauty box for the month of January. Although it did not come in a box this month, I was quite worried when I got this and I saw it came in a bag. I was like, oh no, what the heck? It's fine. The card says why. It says, unfortunately, there were too many products to fit in our standard subscription boxes. Rather than take items out or change them, we opted to ship this month's items in temporary mail bags. We are sorry for any inconvenience. Our normal packaging will return in February. It was too full. The theme of this month's box is back to basics. And that's perfect because we are in a new year. It is a perfect time to start over. The first product in this month's box is the Boudica Warrior Princess palette by Beauty Moon Cosmetics and Eyescream Beauty. This retails for $33. This is our second collaboration with Beauty Moon Cosmetics. This palette is named after the Celtic queen who led a revolt against Roman rule in ancient Britain. This palette is organized into 3 quads with 2 mattes, 1 shimmer, and 1 duochrome per quad. The colors can of course be combined to create countless looks for day and nighttime. When I saw this palette, I saw that it was quads, and I did end up using some of the quads today. I will say I much preferred the formula of the duochromes than the formula of the shimmers. The shimmers feel a little bit on the chalkier side, like you have to go in very lightly with the shimmers. But the duochromes in here are absolutely stunning. And let's talk about the quads. Here's like a more cool toned quad, and then you have a more warm toned quad, and then you have like, I want to say this is like a Valentine's Day quad, which is nice to have because Valentine's Day is coming up. So I'm definitely gonna do another look with this palette using this quad for Valentine's Day because we're in that season. But I did enjoy these eye looks that I created with this palette. I think they are very beautiful, and Beauty Moon actually gave us like a pigment, I think in November, that I really enjoyed. It was really pretty. It has like pink sparkles. It is the prettiest pigment I have. And now I have this beautiful palette. I'm so excited. I love the duochromes. I love the eye looks I have going on right now. I'm hoping that we get to see some more products from this brand because I've enjoyed everything I've gotten so far. So I'm excited to bust it out again sometime in the future. The next item I received in my box was the Sculpt Artistry face palette by Uppbeat Cosmetics. This retails for $22. This is a brand new launch. This first row of this palette can be used as a highlight or as a concealer. The second row can be used as bronzer or concealer, and the last row can be used as blush or lipstick. I've been begging for this for a really long time. I've been wanting just a palette that can do it all, and when I saw this I got so excited. I was like, I cannot wait to test this out. But upon trying it today, I'm not very impressed with this formula. It's very dry. It looks like cakey, and I did prep my skin. I did try to use these as concealers. I feel like they're too thick. I feel like they need to be more emollient. It's too dry. It needs more like of a waxy kind of finish. I will try it again. I didn't want to mess up my face. It's 9:48 where I'm crunched for time, and I'm filming this after work, so it's super late. I'm sad that this didn't work for me, but it's okay. I will try it again and see, maybe it's something I did. I will see other reviews on this product and I will get back to you. The third product are these Beili Beauty makeup brushes, and there's 3 of them, and it says it's $15. Beili makeup recently went viral on TikTok for their affordable quality makeup brushes. This month we have chosen 3 of their brushes to showcase in this month's box. The largest brush is a foundation brush. The medium brush can be used for concealer or precise contouring. The smallest brush is a flat shader brush that can be used for precise contouring or to smooth or apply eyeshadow to the eyes. I did use these brushes today, and I really enjoyed these brushes. I only did not use the foundation brush, and I'm sad about it because I wanted to use this brush. It looks so good. It feels so soft, and I love the handles. I feel like they're nice. It's a nice brush, good quality. I don't see any bristles that are like overgrown or anything out of place. There's no shedding. I'm really impressed. For $15, I don't know if it's 3 brushes or 1, but if it went viral on TikTok for being affordable, then I want to say it's the 3 brushes for $15, meaning that's $5 a brush, which isn't bad. The next item is the Appeal Cosmetics Ultra Cream Lipstick. This retails for $21. It has been a few months since we have included a bullet lipstick in our boxes. Bullet lipsticks are generally easier to apply than liquid formulas. Since we were going back to the basics, we knew we had to include it. This is actually a really pretty pink color. I personally wouldn't wear this on its own. I had to pair it with a lip liner to make it more wearable for me. I know that's like some other people's vibe, some other people's look, but for me, I just enjoy having a darker lip line and then going in with a nice pink in the center. Very pretty formula. I just don't love the way it smells. It smells kind of like crafty. I don't know. Like Crayola. I don't know. But it's a pretty color. The formula is pretty nice, really creamy, and it went on very nice and it looks really nice on the lips. I also got the Illuminati Cosmetics Posh Lip Gloss. This retails for $20. This can be used as a topper or on its own. Use it on top of the bullet lipstick to add some shine, which is exactly what I did here. It's a very pretty gloss. I like that this one does not have any plumping effects like the last one I received. Did not like that at all. This one's actually really nice. It's not sticky. It's really nice, comfortable formula. It's pretty thin. I don't think this is like a bad product. I just don't think it's worth $20, so I wouldn't purchase this on my own, but it is very, very pretty, you know, on top of everything, and it has like gold sparkles. It's very pretty. The last product is from Zeesea Cosmetics Thin Wand Mascara. This retails for $24. This is the perfect mascara for your bottom lashes, or if you have sparse or short lashes. It can also be beneficial to anyone who has difficulty applying mascara with large wands. Thin wands are great for defining and lengthening your lashes, and that's exactly what this did. It defined my lashes and it really lengthened. I personally don't like that for my top lashes, but I loved it for the lower lashes. The wand in here is super, super, super tiny. I was so shocked when I pulled it out. I was like, what the fuck? But it is actually a really nice mascara, and I can definitely see myself using this again. What I love about Eyescream Beauty is that these products don't really look like much from the outside, but once you use them and you pair them all together, you're just like, wow, like that is so, so beautiful. The only thing I call a fail in today's video is the Appeal multi-use like palette thing. I really wanted that to work for me, but like it's just not working. So I don't know, maybe I'm doing something wrong. If you have any suggestions, please let me know. But yeah, let me know what you guys thought of these products. Do you enjoy these indie brands? Let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me today, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Why am I scratching? This palette is named after the Celtic queen who led a the colors can of course be combined to create countless, and I'm hoping that this month we have chosen 3 of their brushes showcase precise contour. It has been a few months since we've had bullet lipsticks are genuinely this is the perfect mascara for both this is the perfect. It can also beneficial